first things first, we shall have a duplicate of the layer. So simply, I will drag and drop on the plus icon to create a duplicate. The next step, I can turn off the layer below and the layer up. So I'm going to select to make a selection to remove that white space. So I'll go to select and pick subject. And I'll go and apply a layer mask. Just click once on a layer mask icon to remove the whitish background. So the next step, I'll double click on the layer mask and make as smooth as possible. Next step, I'm going to bring my art and drop it on the photo. So just any photo, you can get any art and use it. So that is what I'm going to apply on the cap. So I'll move it slightly up so that it starts on the same base of the cap. So the next thing, I'll click on this layer and I will hold the control and click once to make a selection. Then I'll go back to my art and just click on a layer mask to mask it out.
Oh my god! Wow!
So now I'll go and select the layer below. So I want to clear that art from the cap. Then I'll pick my quick selection tool and select that part. Then I'll go back to the layer mask on the layer on top and I'll pick my brush tool. Make sure everything is 100%, even the flow. So to make it as sharp as possible. Now I'll go back to the layer up and I want to have two duplicates. So I'm going to drag to the plus icon to make a duplicate of that layer. And I'm going to make one of those layers, the one on top. I'll convert it to a smart object, and straight I'm going to go to filter and bra, then I'll straight to box bra. I want to make it like to have soft round corners or edges, so I can apply a box bra and I'll click OK. Now I can put this layer below and I'm going to click on the layer mask, hold Ctrl and make a selection. So I'm going to mask out those sharp edges of the art. So adjust the opacity, the hardness like below to make as smooth as possible. Now I'll just delete some. I think that is fine. So the next step, I want to combine these layers on one. So let me first turn back our background on and I'm going to select both of these layers and convert them to smart object. The next step, I'll go to FX and choose blending options and I'll use hold on my keyboard to adjust those anchors and click OK. Now change the blending mode to multiply. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.